Before giving you my next installment on problems with biology course content on Darwinism, I'd like to give some background on what is called evolutionary developmental biology, also known as Evo-Devo. As I previously mentioned, scientists have had to deal with the fact that new animal forms appear suddenly in the fossil record with no intermediate forms, which Darwinian mechanisms can't account for. Evo-Devo biologists propose a solution, arguing that mutations would need to be expressed early in the development of animals in order to produce new kinds of animals, i.e. new body plans. The textbook discusses Evo-Devo, and the authors write that researchers have shown that small changes in the developmental genes early in an animal's development can produce major changes in animal structure. That's true. So far, so good. The textbook authors repeat 6 times that small changes in regulatory genes produce big changes in body plans. The authors marvel at this, and I quote, "No wonder Evo-Devo is one of the hottest areas of evolutionary biology!" They also claim this research can explain what we see in the fossil record. The problem lies in what the authors leave out, the rest of the story. Why Evo-Devo fails to explain the fossil record or how new kinds of animals were formed. After 100 years of mutagenesis experiments, we know that early acting body plan mutations invariably produce what is called embryonic lethals, dead animals, incapable of survival, let alone evolution. Again, early mutations in regulatory genes invariably have destructive consequences. That's the rest of the story. Many evolutionary biologists admit Evo-Devo does not show that regulatory mutations result in the evolution of new animal body plans. The so-called Great Darwinian Paradox explains the problem for evolutionary theory. Major changes are not viable, viable changes aren't major. So the theory of evolution has still not answered the question, how did we get new kinds of animals? As one scientist put it, natural selection explains only the survival of the fittest, not the arrival of the fittest. The textbook authors, once again, misrepresent the evidence in service of propping up a theory, which is a disservice to Worthington students. Thank you.